Hey everyone, welcome back to another internet guru. Today, I'll show you how to connect Binance to MetaTrader 5 full guide. First of all, open the MetaTrader 5 app on your device. Then, sign up for an account. I've already signed up. Next, click the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Tap on Manage Accounts. Then, click the plus icon in the top right corner. Tap the search bar, type BTC, and press Enter. Now, once you search for BTC, you should see the Binance option. Simply click on it and log in with your Binance account. However, if you don't see Binance listed, it's important to note that the app may feature brokerage companies that are not regulated in your country. So, make sure to keep this point in mind. Also, some companies might not be available in your region. If you can't find the Binance option, that likely means it's not available for you. Otherwise, just click on the specific BTC option and you should see something like this on your screen. That's how you can connect Binance to a MetaTrader 5 file. Thanks for watching another internet guru. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a daily drop.